Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage. What's going on today? Well, it's Thanksgiving, and around here we kind of got a tradition that we go around and we tell everybody what we're thankful for from this past year. And I gotta tell you, everybody here at BareRose Garage is very thankful to each and every one of you. That's right, you that's watching this, and to all my subscribers, to everybody who's hit that like button, everybody that's even hit that dislike button, everybody that's left a comment. Thank you. Thank you so much for the wild and crazy ride that we've had this past year. And stay tuned for more to come, because this is just the tip of the iceberg and we're going to nail it again on this next following year. In the meantime, happy Thanksgiving everybody, and again, I can't thank you guys enough from the bottom of my heart. I mean, this has just been unreal this whole year. You guys actually kind of like watching me roll around in this rusty, crusty old junk or seeing what I can make out of nothing. Anyway, thank you so much. And to everybody out there, I hope the football game goes well. I hope the family is all doing well. I just hope this day is just great for all of you. And, well, even if you can't get out to the garage to get the metal hot, well, you can fire up that oven and get the metal hot on that turkey, right? Thanks again, and happy Thanksgiving, all of you. I can't thank you enough. We'll catch you on the next one.